With magnificent and memorable party, teachers and students of the Tajik State Pedagogical University named after S.Айнී celebrated the international holiday of the Nowruz. All faculties of the university decorated the festive Nowruz hall in the country and the institution beautiful and performance of folk crafts, Tajik national and dishes and other spectacular performances were organized. Since Nowruz is an international holiday, representatives of the different countries also came to this party. At the beginning of the university, management together with the guests visited the exhibition organized by the teachers and students and got acquainted with their achievements. It should be noted that Nowruz is one of the oldest holidays on earth, the oldest source of the nations, and Nowruz holiday is the sacred book of the Zardushtyan Avesta. The essence and current significance of the Nowruz holiday with its ancient wisdom is the unification of the nations. Whatever Nowruz is, there is a happiness, beauty of understanding and unity, quality and brotherhood in others. While visiting the festival, the organizers presented guests from the different countries with communal and gifts as good tradition of Nowruz, which caused their happiness. It should be said that Nowruz is a celebration of the acquainted and beginning of the new agricultural year among the leaders of people and some Turkic peoples of the Kazakhstan, Central Asia and Minor and Iran and other part of the festive event. Director of the university, Ahliddin Abdullahzoda, congratulated those present at the arrival of the glacial holiday of our ancestors, noting that Tajikistan is called the homeland of Nowruz because every year this holiday is celebrated in our country with great pomp. On the initiative of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, the leader of the nation, Honorable Emomali Rahmon, Nowruz has become a global holiday and has a special splendor in our homeland. The festive event at the Pedagogical University continued with a colorful cultural program presented by teachers and students and famous crafts of the country. It is our pride that since 2009, Nowruz has been included in the UNESCO Cultural Heritage List, and since February 19, 2010, it has been declared an international holiday in accordance with the United Nations resolution. This cultural innovation in the world community has come about mainly at the initiative of the Persian-speaking countries Tajikistan, Iran, Afghanistan, and Azerbaijan.